This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 26 Demonstration X. In Java, exception handling mechanisms are crucial for dealing with compile time and runtime errors, ensuring program robustness and handling unexpected inputs. Compile time errors occur due to syntax violations, preventing program execution, while runtime errors occur due to exceptions like array index out of bounds exception, number format exception, and arithmetic exception, highlighting the need for proper exception handling, such as dividing by zero causing an arithmetic exception. To handle exceptions robustly, try-catch blocks are used, with examples demonstrating their application in string operations, indexing, and assignments, and multiple catch blocks handling different exception types, or a single catch block handling multiple exceptions using the generic exception type. For comprehensive exception handling, try-catch finally blocks are employed, with the finally block executing regardless of exceptions. Useful for cleanup tasks, and the throw clause explicitly throwing exceptions to be caught, with methods like getCause and fill-in stacktrace for working with exceptions. Nested try-catch blocks are essential for handling different types of exceptions, with the outer block handling one type and the inner block handling another, allowing execution without abnormal termination when exceptions are caught. Exception handling is crucial for program robustness and handling unexpected inputs, with nested try-catch blocks handling multiple exceptions, the throw keyword for explicit exceptions and control flow, and the finally block for cleanup and resource release tasks. Understanding exceptions is essential for writing valid Java code, making exception handling mechanisms a fundamental aspect of robust program development in Java. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.